Hey, so today we're going to do lesson 12/5, and today's lesson is about shapes. And what you have in front of you, you have a cone, you have a cylinder, a sphere, and a cube. And this is your solve and share, so I'm going to play the voice so you can hear it.
You want to find
You want to
objects
find
that have the
objects
same
that have the
shape
same
as the
shape
solid
as the
figures.
solid figures.
How can you find
How can you
objects
find
that have the
objects
same
that
shape?
have the same shape?
Draw objects
Draw
below each
objects below
solid
each
figure that
solid
have the
figure that
same
have the
shape.
same shape.
So what it's asking you to do is look around your surroundings and you have to find objects that look like this shape. So if you're at home, if you have, let's think of something that's shaped like a cone. Well, I have a lamp here that I can show you. My lamp kind of looks like a cone. It's kind of like this. Ooh, that's kind of bad. Let me erase it. Ooh. So, oh, you know what we can do? We can do like a cone when you guys do PE, and it's orange. For a cylinder, you can do like a paper towel roll, paper towel. For a sphere, you can do, I don't know, like a tennis ball or like a basketball, A cube, you can do cubes that you have at home. If you have a tissue box, that's pretty good. That's not a cube, but it's like a rectangle prism. A cube. So, a cereal box. How about that? So that will be, you have to look around your house and find things that are similar to these three-dimensional shapes, okay? So let's do your visual learning.
Let's name some shapes. Jackson is holding a box. What shape is the box?
The shape is a cube.
The shape of the box is a cube. What else can you think of that is shaped like a cube? A tissue box is shaped like a cube. Now Jackson is holding a can of soup. What shape is the can of soup?
He's holding a can of soup, a tomato can.
The shape of the can is a cylinder. What else can you think of that is shaped like a cylinder? A roll of paper towels is shaped like a cylinder. Now Jackson is holding a party hat. What shape is the party hat?
A cone.
The shape of the party hat is a cone. What else can you think of that is shaped like a cone? An ice cream cone is shaped like a cone. Now Jackson is holding a beach ball. What shape is the beach ball?
A sphere.
The shape of the beach ball is a sphere. What else can you think of that is shaped like a sphere? A soccer ball is shaped like a sphere. Now you know how to name shapes that you see.
Okay, so that was your visual learning. So they talked about the sphere, the cube, the cone, and the cylinder. This is in your workbook, so take out your workbooks. So we're going to do this together. Number 1 and 2, name the solid figure on the left. Then draw a circle around the solid figure on the right that is the same shape. Number 1, it's always done for you because it's a guided practice, and you have a green sphere. So you have to find another sphere, and that was the blue one which they circled, so trace it. Number 2, that is a cube, so you have to find another cube. Number 3 and 4, name the solid figure on the left, so you have to do the same thing. Look at the solid figure on the left and then draw a circle around the solid figure that is the same as the figure on the left. So number 3 is a cylinder. So find another cylinder. Number 4, a cone. Number 5 and through number 8. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Name the solid figure on the left, then draw a circle around the object on the right that looks like the shape. So basically the same thing. You're just looking at the shape on the left and you're finding the same shape that looks, but this time you're not using shapes, you're using objects that look the same. So number 5, that is a cube. So what other object looks like a cube? So find it. Number 6, that's a cone. What other object looks like a cone? Number 7, that's a cylinder. What else looks like a cylinder? Number 8, that is a sphere. What else looks like a sphere? Okay. Number 9 and 10, you have more three-dimensional shapes, and they want you to look at the object on the left again, then draw a circle around the solid figure on the right. So number 9, you have a cylinder. You're going to have to find a cylinder. This time you're using the actual shape. So the ones on the left are just objects, things that look like three-dimensional shapes. Number 10, same thing. That's a cube. Find the shape. That's a cube. And finally, number 12, this is your independent practice. This is also your active ticket. This is you do this by yourself. Draw on the left, then draw 2 more that look like the shape being shown on number 12. So tell me, what shape is that? That is a sphere, right? So draw me other things that you find that look like a sphere. If you go back into your workbook, you can see that they give you a lot of examples that objects that look like a sphere for number 12, okay? This is in your workbook, okay? This is independent practice. I'm here if you have any questions, if you need help, let me know, okay? And we're doing this together because we're in class right now. Your homework, if you have it already, if not, you have to let me know. I will send it to you on Teams. It says number 1 and number 2, you have to draw each solid figure to the one that looks like the shape. So number 1, they did it in front of you in the box, how they're connecting the cone to the speaker cone, how they're connecting the can of strawberry jam to the cylinder. So number 1, you have a cone, and then you have to connect it to the one that looks like a cone. Then the cone 2, the cone, and then the cube, and then the cylinder, then the sphere, the cone, and the cylinder again. Number 3 and 4, you have to draw a circle around 4 objects in each row that look like the same shape. So you have to look at all the shapes that look the same. So number 3, you have a baseball, you have a yarn, globe, I think that's a basketball, or an orange. Then you have, I think that's butter. Then you have a bowling ball. So there's a bunch of objects here that look like the same shape, and I'll give you a clue. There is 4. You have to circle 4 there. Then you have to do the same thing for number 4. Find all the things that look the same. So the same thing there. You have to circle 4 objects here. Number 5, this is pushing an object to make it move. So we're going to be talking about how some three-dimensional shapes, you can slide them or you can roll them, okay? And I have the three-dimensional shapes here, so I will demonstrate to you and show you what they mean by that, okay? Number 6, you have to draw 2 objects that do not look like a sphere. So remember, you have to know what a sphere is, and you have to draw me 2 objects that are not spheres. Okay, I'll give you a clue. A cube is not a sphere. Then you have to figure out the other one, okay? So that is your homework. Let me know if you need help. I'll be here. And then we're done. So that is for math. This is lesson 12/5. And we're talking about solid figures. Okay, boys and girls? So let me know if you need any help. And if you need the homework, let me know.